So baby, it's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health, I swear you go to hell. Take the L, I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now, do we? I'm shooting my soul so loud, are you happy now?
Hi guys! Hi everyone! It's me, Berna. Hey! Oh my god. Namiss ko mag-vlog. Like what? It's been 4 months since I have uploaded a video. Like, that 4 months you guys, ang daming nangyari sa buhay ko talaga. Hindi ko akalain. Na-realize ko lang kagabi. Kasi hindi nyo akalain na treasurer na ako ng student council namin. Hi to the vlog, Gian.
Hey vlog, hey vlog.
Hi guys, so today is the 6th day of our campaign. Nagla-lunch lang kami today. Break lang. So yeah, we'll see you guys sa inyong mga nung first year ako, nasabi ko siya, gusto ko talaga maging part ng executive board. Gusto ko. Tapos, ayun. Di pa rin siya nagsisik in actually. Anyway, today, I wanted to vlog kasi babalik na ako sa pag-vlog you guys. So, tingnan natin kung kaya talaga ng time management ko, you know, yung pag-edit and stuff. Today, I have a lot of work to do. So, medyo bombarded ako ng mga gawain. And then, later, pupunta ako ng school. Even though, wala kami talagang pasok ngayon. Like, on-site. Kasi, nag-announce yung FEU na there will be shifting online. Kasi, ang init talaga ngayon, guys, sa Pilipinas. Like, kahit yung hangin, ang init nung singaw. And lalo na pag kailangan talaga ng payong pag lumabas. Kaya guys, always stay hydrated. Wear your sunscreen. Please do guys, drink your water. So I always have my water here.
To witness some jaw-dropping talent and stunning beauty.
Hello guys! Mamatunay tayo guys. Low ako low. Ay, kinain ng ulo. Ulo.
Ano na po kayo?
Now we're here at Zeus. Of course, I ordered matcha latte. Ngayon, titikman po natin. Ang tamis ko siya. Parang ano, milk. Parang milk. Really? Oh.
It's good. Ano lang, on a milky side, on a very creamy side. Pero you can taste the damo in
The damo. Yeah, you will taste the damo, guys.
the damo is there, very there. It's actually matapang rin.
Oo nga. Pero okay lang, masarap.
Masarap naman siya.
Rate nyo, guys. Oo, mga 6 lang. May mas masarap pa dito.
7 po. Kasi 7 po. Kasi I love creamy drinks.
Gusto ko kasi lasang lasa yung matcha. Ako yung sa
Gusto niya talaga yung very madamo. Inaamoy niya yung damo every time she drinks matcha.
And you, apa? Hindi ko alam yung... Ba't pangalan ko yun? Pangalan? Ba't pangalan ko yun? Here's your order, guys. Order.
Sarap ng matcha nila. Ay, ako. Sorry. Lagyan natin sa FMW.
What really keeps me going is trying my best. And also doing things that really matter to me and also help other people.
Enough of shoulder tayo ni Celine.
Hi, Ate Dani. Ben, pumuputok-putok pa yung show.
Always sa Mambi, wala kang bago.
Sige, send link na lang. Thank you so much, Omaki. Sponsor. Dito tayo pwede vlogger.
Oo.
I-thank you na natin.
Kasi Mary.
Dito. Thank you. Correct. don't usually drink coffee kasi nagpapalpitate ako. Pero since it is our finals, ito talaga ang best friend ko pag finals. Kasi lagi talaga akong tulog, you guys. If ever meron akong chance na talagang naboboard na ako sa ginagawa ko, matutulog talaga ako. Since today is finals, may progress na ako sa mga gawain ko. Yung paper namin sa destination management sa scholarly, natapos ko na yung reflection paper, and then peer eval na lang. So basically, konti na lang yung mga gawain ko, and then we're done. So Tuesday na ngayon, malapit na matapos tong pagdudusa kong to. And then I am free.
Ito ay Hi guys. Tara na. Ganun na lang. I-harap ko. Oo. Para simple. Hi guys.
Ito na yung batang naging treasurer.
Oo nga.
Diba? So include that in the budget proposal. And then, ayan, the excess funds or excess money, para at least kapag wala na makita. Tapos CX123, so hindi mo alam kung correction payment. Lalo na pag ito na ito-total mo na, itatali mo na.
Oo natin yan.
Hindi tapos na problema ni.
Alam mo, ngayon meron na.
Meron nga ng gagawin. Ngayon, kasama. So expect na everyday kang nasa Ashland kapag
Ano yung hahanapin ko dyan talaga?
ang hanapin mo dito, number.